Hi friends, this is Miss Warner and it's time for independent writing. So today we are going to do something very similar to what we did last time. The last time we drew a picture, we labeled our work, and we wrote a sentence about a place we like to go. So this time we are going to answer the question, which pet do you think is best to have? So again, on slide 3, I put 4 choices: a dog, a cat, a bird, or a fish. You are going to think about which pet would you like to have, or which pet do you think is best to have? And you're going to choose one of those pets. After you've chosen your pet, you are going to take your blue writing journal and just turn it to the next page. At the top, you are going to draw the pet that you think is best to have, and then you're going to write your sentence underneath your drawing in the line on the lines. So I'm going to show you an example of what you should be doing today. So you should have your blue writing journals out. I'm going to use my whiteboard. So the 4 choices that I have is a dog, a cat, a bird, or a fish. So, you should be thinking, which pet do you think is best to have? I think it's best to have a goldfish. So I'm going to draw a picture of goldfish. If you think it is best to have a dog, you would draw a picture of a dog. Maybe you think it's best to have a bird, so you would draw a picture of a bird. So I'm going to draw a goldfish. So I know the goldfish, they need a tank, somewhere to swim in. Here's my little or big goldfish tank. I'm going to put my goldfish. They remind me of the color orange. So I'm going to try to draw a orange fish. My goldfish is going to be happy. I'm going to draw some fins. So here's my goldfish, and I'm going to put the goldfish in some water because they need to swim. So here's my goldfish in the water. Okay? So maybe I will just label my goldfish goldfish. That has the sound of a letter G. If you said G, kiss your brain, friend. G. So this is G for goldfish. Now in the area where there are the lines in your writing journal, you're going to answer our question. Our question is, which pet do you think it is best to have? So I'm going to write, I think the best pet is a fish. If you look on slide 3, you will see that underneath each pet picture, I spelled out the word. So you don't have to use the first letter sound only to help you write your sentence. You can use the words that I wrote underneath the picture. So I'm going to write the sentence. The THE best BEST pet PET to TO have HAVE is. If you need to go to the next line, you can. So the best pet to have is, I'm going to write a fish. F-I-S-H. The best pet to have is a fish. So in your drawing, remember your sentence has to match with your drawing. So if you drew a picture of a dog and you think the dog is the best pet to have, you will write the best pet to have is a dog. If you thought the cat was the best pet to have, you'll have a picture of a cat and your sentence will say the best pet to have is a cat. And the same thing for the bird. If you chose a bird, you would draw a picture of the bird and then you will write the best pet to have is a bird. Thank you, friends. Have fun.